Welcome to the CBD Certified channel. Today, I'm showing you a unique recipe, the Cannabis Burger. It's a simple dish to prepare, combining great taste with the benefits of cannabis. Here's what you'll need to make your Cannabis Burger. 400 g of ground beef, 1 egg, salt, pepper, and spices to taste, 4 burger buns, cheddar cheese slices, lettuce, tomatoes, and onions for garnish, 2 tablespoons of your favorite sauce, and of course, the key ingredient, 10 milliliters of cannabis oil, available at CBD-CERTIFIED.com. In a bowl, mix the ground beef with the egg, a pinch of salt, pepper, and your favorite spices. Add 10 milliliters of cannabis oil and mix well to ensure the meat is fully infused. Form the meat into patties and cook them in a hot pan with a bit of oil for 3 to 4 minutes on each side, until golden and fully cooked. While the meat is cooking, lightly toast the burger buns. Then, assemble your burger, bun, lettuce, cannabis-infused patty, melted cheddar, tomato slices, onions, and your chosen sauce. And there you have it, your Cannabis Burger is ready to enjoy. For more unique recipes and to explore the benefits of cannabis, head over to CBD-Certified.com. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future videos. See you soon!